Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can add shipping package sizes on your Shopify store to your products. So let us jump in. On the left hand side, you can see you have your menu and you want to travel all the way down to the bottom and you want to look for your settings tab. Now, once you're in your settings tab, you want to look for the shipping and delivery on the left hand side. Once you're in here, you're going to have to travel all the way down to the bottom where it says saved packages, and this is where you will see all of your existing packages. Now you can tap on add package. You can choose a package name, so let's name this one small box, and here you can choose your package type, so a box, an envelope, or a soft package, or a satchel. Okay, we're going to leave it on box. You can now enter the length, the width, and the height. You can also change the unit of measurement and then the optional weight. So let's say that's 20 grams, and you can go ahead and tap on add package. Now, of course, you can do this multiple times. So if you would like to make a medium box, you can do the exact same, and you can say 20 length, width, and height. You can change that and you can say that's 40 grams. Okay, so you can then again just tap on add package, and you can do this with as many as you need to. All right, if this was a helpful guide, don't forget to drop us a like, show your support so that we can keep on giving you great content, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.